You're munching way too much if you can name all these snacks. Easy level. First one, potato chips. Second one, pretzels. Third one, popcorn. Hit the like button if you got those because your snack game is on point. Medium level, let's go. First one, cheese puffs. Share this with your go-to snack buddies and comment your favorite snack. Second one, Oreos. Hard level. First one, goldfish. The average American eats about 17 pounds of snacks a year. Second one, fruit snacks. Subscribe if you've ever raided the pantry at 2 a.m. Last one is impossible. Comment the answer in your score.